How you doing, guys? My name is Gustavo. Right now we're going to go over the display settings on the new 2026 Ioniq 9. So for a display setup, you go setup on your dash, you go display, then you're going to see your menu for brightness, camera settings, and blue filter. You click on brightness and you can toggle it automatically, or you can take that off so you can adjust it manually. Then you can go camera settings, you have display contents, and you have various other toggles for parking distance warning, top view parking guidelines, rear view parking guidelines. You can switch these off and on and off depending on your preference. Then blue light filter, you can disable it or enable it. You can switch how warm you want this screen to go, from 9 being the warmest, cooler being number 1, depending on the fatigue of your eyes. You can also set this automatic, and if you want to set the time manually, you can click the gear and set up your own times between PM and AM. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments and we'll see you soon.